What is personalized medicine? It is a medical model that aims to tailor the treatment of a disease based upon identified characteristics of each patient. A profile of patients' genetic variation can guide the selection of drugs or treatment protocols that minimize harmful side effects or ensure more successful outcomes. It can also indicate susceptibility to certain diseases before they become manifest, allowing the physician and patient to set out a plan for monitoring and prevention. Implementing personalized medicine will require a high degree of collaboration amongst the many stakeholders in the life science and medical sectors. These stakeholders include the research community, pharmaceutical companies, regulators, doctors, and of course, patients. Thorough understanding of this medical model will reveal that the future of healthcare is in personalized medicine, and all stakeholders need to be engaged to shift from the traditional approach into one that can utilize the scientific community's knowledge to the fullest. The traditional method to clinical medicine is a reactive approach where the diagnosis is made after the signs and symptoms appears. In prescribing drug, doctors use the one-size-fits-all model where patients are given recommended dosages initially, and if necessary, doctors adjust the amount of dosage. On average, a drug on the market works for only 50% of the people who take it. The consequences in terms of quality and cost of care are significant. With personalized medicine, physicians can now go beyond the one-size-fits-all model of medicine to make the most effective clinical decisions for individual patients. Personalized medicine also introduces the ability to use molecular markers that signal the risk of disease or presence before clinical signs and symptoms appear. This information underlies the healthcare strategy focused on prevention and early intervention. Some of the potential benefits personalized medicine has to offer are more powerful safer drugs and vaccines, improvement of drug discovery, and approval and decrease in overall healthcare cost. As the knowledge base of a disease and its drug effectiveness for a certain DNA type increases, pharmaceutical firms can now further produce better treatments from this gained knowledge, increasing the number of marketable compounds. The approval process may take less time for personalized medicine, result in lower developmental costs. A critical factor for success in shifting over to personalized medicine will be in-depth molecular understanding of the pathophysiology and the mechanism of the drug under development. Since it is a developing research field that is still in its infancy, the route to development of personalized medicine needs to recognize and address a range of policy and ethical issues. Genome analysis for all individuals is an issue, therefore rapid automated methods must be developed. Physicians need to carry out additional diagnostic steps to accurately determine the best course of treatment for each patient, forcing them to have a better understanding in genetics. It also poses a challenge with privacy and ethical issues with unveiling a person's unique biological profile. Therefore, finding a level of regulation for a genetic test that protects the patient yet encourages innovation is an ideal solution. Personalized medicine is going to transform healthcare, more precise targeting of the right medication at the right time. Therefore, all stakeholders need to collaborate for the success in implementation of personalized medicine.